Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss articles, their types and uses. At first let me tell you why we use articles. Articles are used to point out a noun or an adjective. Then its types. There are two types of articles in English: indefinite article and definite article. A or an come under indefinite article and the comes under definite article. At first, let's talk about indefinite article. A or an. We have already learnt in our previous class about a or an, but still I want to revise it. Okay? So, a or an both are used before a general noun. It should be singular and countable. But here is a difference between use of a or an. As you know, a is used before a consonant sound and an is used before a vowel sound. Remember children, always focus on the sound but not the letter. Whatever the letter is, you have to focus on sound. Okay? So let's take some examples. Days, year, dash, year. So what to use here? A or an? The first one starts with vowel letter and it sounds like vowel sound too. So here we use an, year. But the second one pronounced as year. Year is there. Year. So here we have to use a year. Here is a simple trick. If the word sound from O to O in Odia or Hindi, which is known as Swarabarna, okay, you can use an before the word. If not, just use a. Another example, dash Indian, dash American, dash European. So what to use here? Just focus on the sound. Indian, E is there. So an Indian. Then American, A is there. So an American. Then next European. Yo is not a vowel sound, children. So here we use a European. No doubt the word starts with the vowel letter E, but it sounds like consonant sound yo. So a European is correct. Clear? Now tell me what to use here, a or an? Dash SP, dash Superintendent of Police. Both indicate the same person. First one is the short form of the second one, but the first one pronounced as SP. A is there. So we can say an SP. But in second case, Superintendent. Sir is not a vowel sound. So we use a Superintendent of Police. Clear children? So an SP but a Superintendent of Police. Now talk about the second article, definite article, the. It is used to point out a particular person, place or thing, which is very specific. Okay, they may singular or plural. Here are some key points for using the. Remember it carefully. First point, before any holy books, newspaper or magazines, we use the. Examples: the Gita, the Quran, the Bible, the Samaj, the Dharitri. Clear? The next point, before the names of rivers, or seas like the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Mahanadi, the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. Okay, then third point, before the name of mountain ranges, the Himalaya, the Vindhya. Okay, like that. Then fourth point, before the name of unique person or natural objects which are specific or unique, like the president, the sun, the sky, the moon. Okay, then number 5, before superlatives. Superlatives means the best, the worst, the highest, the largest. Okay, then point number 6, before famous buildings or monuments, the Taj Mahal, the Konark, the Red Fort. Okay, then number 7, before races, religion or class of persons, like the Hindus, the Muslims, the Christians. Okay, the wise, the rich, the poor. Okay, they are the classes of person. Then before countries which include states or kingdom, like the USA means United States of America, the UK, the United Kingdom, like Great Britain. Okay children, so you have to practice the key points for using the. Now let's test your knowledge. Insert a, an or the where necessary.